think GPUs are too expensive, too complicated, or maybe you believe only the big players need them? Let's bust these myths today and show you how GPUs are transforming industries for everyone. Let's most common myth. GPUs are too expensive. Many believe GPUs are only for those with deep pockets. While it's true that some high-end GPUs can cost a premium, not every business needs those top-tier models. Today's modern cloud platforms like NewCloud offers access to scalable GPU solution, so you only pay for what you need when you need it. No upfront investment, just performance. Businesses of any size can now leverage GPU power without breaking the bank, making AI and ML more accessible than ever before. Complex? It's a common misconception, but the truth? Next generation and cutting-edge cloud platforms like NewCloud offers user-friendly interface and easy integration, even for those new to AI and machine learning. With pre-configured environments, intuitive dashboards, and 24/7 support, even non-technical teams can deploy GPUs in minutes. Whether you are training AI models, running simulation, or processing massive data sets, our platforms make it seamless. You focus on your project, we'll handle the infrastructure. GPUs are only for the big players. The reality? Small and medium businesses are harnessing GPU power to gain a competitive edge. From startups building AI-powered chatbots to retail stores analyzing customer behavior, GPUs are empowering innovation at every level. GPUs are essential for anyone working with AI, ML, or even data analytics. With NewCloud's cost-effective and scalable GPU solutions, you don't need a Fortune 500 budget to access the world-class computing power. We empower businesses of all sizes to innovate with scalable GPU solutions. So there you have it. GPUs are affordable, easy to use, and perfect for businesses of any size. Don't let myths stop you from innovating. Break the myths, embrace the future. Visit www.newcloud.com.